If you want to add a YouTube channel to your existing account, it's super simple and I'm going to show you how in this video. So in the top right corner of YouTube, you'll see your channel icon, your profile picture, your avatar, whatever you want to call it. Click on that, and once you click on that, you're going to go to Switch Account. Now here you'll have your channel and your Gmail account, but I want you to go down to More Accounts. If you click on More Accounts, you see all of your YouTube channels and your account right here, and you can click Create a New Channel. When you click Create a New Channel, it's automatically going to make it a brand account. So type in whatever you want here. I'm just going to do Kristen Williams brand account so we can keep it straight as we walk through this, and you're going to click Create. Now it'll take it a minute to think about it, but then there you go. You have a whole new YouTube channel ready for you to customize. This is also a great option if you have a family member, maybe a kid who wants to create their own YouTube channel, but you want to help them and you want to monitor it. You can create a channel under your account and you can see all of those. If you click the icon on the top right and go to Switch Account, you can see all of the YouTube channels. So you might want to have a channel for yourself and then a channel for each family member, however you want to do it. And then when you switch back and forth between these accounts, each account will have its own subscriptions. Each account will have its own liked videos, playlists. They can upload their own videos. It's a really good way to keep everything in one place if that's what you're wanting to do. If you are ready to get going on YouTube, I also created a YouTube video checklist. So it actually walks you through creating videos, uploading them, what to do after you upload a video, which is so important. If you want to check out that YouTube video checklist, I linked it in the description. It is 100% free. It's an awesome checklist. It's the one I use all the time. So check that out.